According to Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, an asset puts money in your pocket, whether you work or not, and a liability takes money from your pocket. Did you know that an ebook is an asset? If your ebook costs $10 and the ebook sells an average of just one copy per day, that's an income of around $300 a month. There is no doubt that a self-published ebooks could be your most valuable asset. Hi, this is Jenny from teachermerit.com. In this video, I will share with you 3 reasons to create your ebook with us. Reason number 1. We build your ebook for you for free. Your first ebook is free when you are a subscriber of teachermerit.com. Just write your ideas in a Word document and send it to us. We transform your document into an ebook that offers a great reading experience. We take care of the ebook cover, formatting and conversion for you. Reason number 2. We protect your ebook from piracy. When you host your ebook with teachermerit.com, you can be sure that nobody can illegally download your ebook. Only subscribers or paid members of your platform can access your ebook. Reason number 3. You keep all your profits. Do you know that Amazon takes 20 to 30% cut from what you make selling your ebook? We don't take a penny from your ebook sales. You keep all profits when selling your ebook. Only pay your teachermerit.com subscription, which is less than $3 a day. I want you to think about a story, a passion, or an experience you would like to share with the world. It may be someone else's story or your own story. For example, in this ebook, Yara shares his own story when he arrived for the first time in America and how he was able to overcome tests, trials and tribulations before achieving his American dream. So, what are you waiting for? Schedule an appointment with us today at calendar.teachermerit.com and we will be glad to help you create your first ebook. Remember, an ebook is an asset and an asset puts money in your pocket, whether you work or not. Thank you for watching this video.